message ko sa kanya? Well, syempre, sabi ko na lang ito sa'yo, na I support you and I support my family, na always genuine yung support namin sa'yo. Even yung mom ko, kapatid ko, nanonood kasi din sila ng fight. So, I hope that also shows you how much we support you. And we pray for you. Always stay humble. Sana hindi ka magbabago. And always remember na you're doing this for God's glory. God bless you, Eman, and
Mabilis lang kamo sa tech.
may dumaan.
Nandito.
God bless you and thank you so much then for being so supportive. I hope na kahit anong mangyari, I hope you know na I'm happy na I gained a friend, I gained the person in my life na sobrang supportive sa akin. God bless you.
Ayun.